Alright, here's a quick tutorial on how to use Badge Magic Cut to Fit Freestyle Kit. So basically what this is a 9x12 double-sided adhesive that goes in between a badge, like a merit badge, or I'm just using them on the back of like a badge like this. So basically I'm cutting out little 2.5-inch circles, and then those are going to go in between the backpack or whatever and the sticker. So using something like this, when you go to cut it, you want to place it with this side, the side that has all the labels on it and the printing on it. This side is going to go down on your sticky side. So just exactly how I ran it. I ran this here on this side like that, and that goes into the silhouette, and just put it in like that. And just a quick thing to help on the settings, the blade is set at a 4, and if you look over here in the actual setting, all that I used was the Cardstock Adhesive Backed, which sets the blade at a 4, the speed at a 3, force at 29, 1 pass, and I printed it out and it worked perfectly. I was able to get 15 2.5-inch badges up on one 9x12 Badge Magic. And it's really great because then you can just place it on whatever. Like I just placed it on a backpack. Comes out, looks great. No need to sew it, anything like that. So that's Badge Magic using a Silhouette Cameo.